All right, Matt, since we're in the desert hemisphere here, we're gonna have to work on some stuff that maybe you won't experience at your club, but out here, it's definitely the desert that really could cause you to lose some strokes out here. So right now we're at the short game facility, and we're kind of like just in the first part of the desert, and you can kind of see, you can feel with your feet. It's pretty rocky, and it's very hard to really try to get a clean strike on this ball. And normally you're going to face this shot out here maybe one to three times around, and it's important around the greens to really, you know, have that chance to get the ball still on the green, have a chance to make par. So Matt, one of the things first we have to work on is making clean contact with the ball, right?
Of course.
So we're going to go to this back hole location, if you can see that. One of the things I like to first start out with is my setup. So one of the things I like to do, especially with how firm the ground is, it's important to make clean contact first. So I like the ball just a little bit more back in your stance. And since we're going to try to get the ball first, it's going to come out a little bit lower out of the harder rocky terrain. So we're going to want to get a little more shaft length to it and just try to make a nice clean strike on it. It's important here too to commit to the shot. One of the things a lot of people tend to do out here is they get scared to try to hit the ball first, and they end up thinning it over the green. So one of the things too is to have that mindset that you really want to make clean strike, and as well as get the ball close to the hole. So I'm going to go ahead and show you real quick. Get the ball back in my stance, a little forward shaft lane, and we're going to go ahead and commit to the shot. Okay, you can see there that I came up a little short. It's a little soft in this part here, so that's something you have to be aware of, is sometimes the lies out here can get a little dicey, and that I obviously did not commit to the shot there. So I'm going to go ahead and show you one more time. Okay, ball's back in my stance, clean contact, and you can see that came out a lot better and more towards the hole. So do you find that your grips are a little bit worn out here, or when's the last time you've replaced your grips?
These are actually the original grip on these irons, and I've had them for, I guess, a little over a year now. So it's probably getting to that point.
Yeah, it's probably a good idea. You know, they say about every
See a little bit right there.
50 to 60 rounds, you probably want to replace your grips. So that's something to think about going forward. So.